Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 23. It says a store offers a 30% discount on a coat that originally sold for $120. The coat still does not sell, so the store offers another 30% off the sale price. What is the difference between this price and the price of the coat had it been marked down 60% all at once? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is a 30% discount. So I think you use part equals percent times the whole, I think. So if I want to find a 30% discount, there's two ways to go about it. I can go about it in one step knowing I'm still paying 70%, or I can go about it in two steps by taking a 30% discount and then subtracting from the original. So I'll go ahead and do that. So to find the part that's the discount, I take my 30%. My 30% has to be rewritten as a fraction or a decimal, so I'll take away the percent sign, move that decimal point 2 places away from the percent sign. The original whole was $120. That was the total amount you would have originally paid. So if we take 30% off of that, 0.3 times $120, we get $36 off. That 36 represents the discount. That's the money off. Money off the price. So then you have to take your 120, your original, and you have to subtract off your discount, and then you'll get your sale price. So 120 minus 36 is $84. Now, some of you may have gotten to that $84 by saying, well, look it, if it's 30% off, I'm still paying 70%. So you maybe multiply by 0.7 or 0.70 times 120. 0.7 times 120 gets you right to the $84. Gets you right to your sale price. Okay? And now I'm going to take 30% off the sale price. It's still not selling, so I'm going to take 30% off the sale price. So again, now I have part equals percent times the whole. We have a new whole. The new whole price is $84. So now I would take 0.3 times the new price of $84. That's what we're now taking the 30% off of. So if I multiply that, I find out I'm going to take an additional $25.20 off. So then I have to take my $84, which was my sale price, and I have to subtract off $25.20, which was my discount, and then I'll get the new sale price, the lower sale price. So let's go ahead and do that. And we get $58.80. Okay, $58.80. I could have done that in one step by saying, oops, the new sale price, the new part would be 70%. If I'm taking another 30% off, I'd still be paying 70% times 84. So if you did 0.7 times 84, it's just another way to go about the problem. You'd still get $58.80. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you, this problem still isn't done. What I've done at this point is found out how much I'd be paying if I took 30% off and then another 30% off. I'd be paying $58.80. Now they say, and I'm going to have to go to maybe another slide because I don't have enough space here. So let me pause my video and make another slide. All right, so now I'm continuing on with that question number 7. So now I want to take the original cost, which was $120, and I want to take 60% off. So part equals percent times the total, or what your original was. So now I can do it two ways. I can either take my 60% discount of that original amount and then subtract that discount off. So 0.6 times 120 is 72. And so now I would have to take my original, subtract off my discount, so if we take 120 minus 72, we come up with $48. So another way to go about that would be, you could always, if you're taking 60% off, you're still paying 40%. So some of you may have chosen to, in a one-step problem, say, well, if I take 60% off, I'm still paying 40%. If you take 0.4 times 120, you get to your sale price of 48 very quickly. All right, but they want the difference between if we took 30% off, then another 30% off the sale price. We found out that it would be $58.80 we'd still be paying. If you took, 60% off the original, this is a long video. If you took 60% off the original, you'd only be paying $48. So a lot of times that's why stores take a discount and then another discount off the sale price, because they're still making more money. But if I want to find that difference, I'll just take $58.80 minus $48. $58.80 minus $48. $58.80 minus $48, $10.80. So the difference between that would be $10.80. If the store decides to take 30% off, then 30% off the sale price, instead of just doing 60% off the original, they make an extra $10.80 off of us. All right, I hope that helps. I know it was long.